Hi everybody, it's Strawberry Hui, and in today's video, I'm going to be making a K-pop journal spread for Dreamcatcher's new song and music video, Odd Eye. So, if you've watched my other videos, you know that Dreamcatcher is one of my old groups. They are my favorite girl group. I love them so much. I actually met them last year, or oh my god, it wasn't even last year, it was 2019. That's insane. Can we please go back to concerts? I'm so tired of COVID. Anyways, I love them a lot. I love their rock sound because I've always been a fan of like rock and like pop punk music. So this song just really fulfilled that love for me. The aesthetics were so cool. Like, I'm just really big on aesthetics and like cool concepts, and this one was amazing. I love the choreo. I always think they have really fun choreo. So yeah, I was really excited for this comeback, and I wanted to do it justice with the spread. So I used a lot of pictures in the spread and did a lot of like collage sort of aspects just so that I could use a lot of pictures, and even then I still didn't get to use all of the pictures that I wanted to. And yes, I am, as always, using ripped pieces of paper as the background because that's just my thing, I guess. But yeah, I was really excited for this comeback. Not just because I'm always excited for their comebacks, but also because Handang is finally back. So she got to be a part of this comeback, which is exciting. I really miss them being seven. And yeah, I just feel like their songs and their music videos are just like, they continue to increase in quality while still like staying true to their original like sound and stuff like that. And I just think it's really cool to watch them grow as a group like that. And like I said, I love the aesthetics of this music video. Bora looks like a freaking Sith Lord, which is amazing. And like Xian's vocals in this song, I mean, always her vocals just like take my breath away. But in this song specifically, I don't know. I just really, I mean, I don't even have words. You get it. It's freaking amazing. Okay, if you don't say I'm Dreamcatcher, you haven't heard the song yet, please go check it out because it is genuinely that good. So, as far as lettering goes, I've just been really into like simple lettering lately, especially when the spread is really busy. I feel like just like sort of a simple lettering just makes it look better and like more cohesive. Where if you have like a really busy spread and then like really intense lettering, it's just like when you look at it, you're like, okay, like what am I supposed to be looking at? So, I just feel like, I don't know, for this spread, just a really simple sort of look just really went with it. I don't know. I feel like sometimes I'm like, I need to be better about my lettering. I feel like I'm being lazy, but at the same time, like, I just genuinely feel like this is what looks best on the spread. So yeah, that's why I decided to go with this lettering. So here's a look at the final spread, and I'm really happy with it. I love the color scheme. Again, I had really awesome photos and screenshots to go with, so that always helps. But yeah, I really, really love this song, and this is probably one of my favorite music videos of theirs now, so that's exciting. Anyways, if you haven't already watched this music video or listened to their album, go do it. You won't regret it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!